Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss a marvelous activity on types of houses. So here you get a picture of a house. Can you guess what type of house is it? Option A, hut. Option B, caravan. Option C, flat. The answer is hut. And it's the right answer. Now here's a picture of a house. Can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, igloo. Option B, bungalow. Option C, flat. The correct answer is bungalow. Next, we have a picture. Can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, houseboat. Option B, skyscraper. Option C, caravan. The right answer is caravan. Here comes the picture. Can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, caravan. Option B, houseboat. Option C, pakka house. The correct answer is houseboat. Next, we have a picture. Can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, tent. Option B, skyscraper. Option C, hut. The right answer is tent. Now here comes the next picture. Can you guess it? It's option A, kacha house. Option B, flats. Option C, bungalow. The right answer is flats. Can you guess it? Which picture is it? Option A, flat. Option B, igloo. Option C, hut. The right answer is igloo. Next, we have this picture. Can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, bungalow. Option B, kacha house. Option C, skyscraper. The right answer is skyscraper. The next picture, can you guess it? Which type of house is it? Option A, kacha house. Option B, farmhouse. Option C, skyscraper. The right answer is option B, farmhouse. Can you guess this house? Which type of house is it? Option A, villa. Option B, igloo. Option C, tree house. The right answer is tree house. Do you want to learn English with Vikram? Yes? No? Yet to decide. Yes, you should decide. Thank you.